The South Asian archipelagic island country, Maldives, is committed to raising the quality of the education system. In recent years, we have witnessed a shift from special needs education to inclusive education in the Maldives. The educational rights of children with disabilities were ensured with the implementation of the Inclusive Education Policy in the year 2013, which was later revised in 2020 to align with the CRPD. In the year 2018, the Special Education Unit of the Ministry of Education was upgraded into the Department of Inclusive Education. To promote the principles of inclusion and equity, Individual Education Plan was remodeled as the Inclusive Education Policy 2020, which defines the target groups as students with complex learning profiles. The Education Sector Plan 2019 to 2023 identified goals to advance education for children with disabilities. To meet these goals, the country has trained teachers on early intervention to expand access to schools for children with disabilities. The country has also witnessed the provision of assistive technologies to regular and special schools in the Maldives. As a result, Maldives has seen an increase in the number of schools with the SEN program. In the year 2014, 52 out of 219 schools offered SEN programs. In the year 2019, 89 schools out of the 213 schools offered SEN programs. The Maldives Education Management Information System (MIMIS) was created in 2017 by the Ministry of Education with the support from UNICEF in an effort to develop a centralized information system that would enable the collection, storage, and retrieval of accurate and timely educational data. The Enhancing Education Development Project, which ran from 2013 to 2018, resulted in improved learning environments in 53 secondary schools. Looking at the achievements in providing learning materials to children with disabilities, a Maldivian Sign Language Dictionary was developed in 2009. In 2015, the Divehi Braille Code was established. With the support from UNICEF, the Ministry of Education and the NGO Care Society have developed an improved school-based EII system to detect disabilities in young children. In 2019, the Monitoring Framework for Inclusive Education was published to be utilized at all levels of the system to track and inform schools' inclusive education activities. The Ministry of Education is working hard to meet the aims of the Education Sector Plan as well as the Sustainable Development Goals of providing a high-quality education to all learners. The Department of Inclusive Education, in collaboration with its partners, is working to discover solutions to the current issues and to ensure that all learners with disabilities get a high-quality education.
The Maldivian Inclusive Education Policy has been updated to comply with the Maldivian Education Act, the National Curriculum Framework, and international treaties. This, I trust, will assist us in achieving our aim of providing the right to education for all learners in the Maldivian education system, whether through traditional schooling or alternative learning pathways.